Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me a file. I've already deleted what they sent me, but I can recreate it because they want to start drawing something like this. And I'm going to make this into two parts because there's an age-old problem that I've been trying to figure out for years. We're going to make the ellipse 16 inches, and then we're going to set our nudge factor on 6. And I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm going to move that over. We just want this shape. So we're going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete that. So these are two different parts. And if we just double check with the shape tool, the arrow's going down on both of them. But here's his problem and his question. And I luckily have run in this before and was able to figure it out. So these are two different parts. You can see we got two objects. If we go to effects and blend it 22 times, we get this irregular shape right in through here, which is unacceptable for what we're trying to do. The key is this is an ellipse with 3 nodes. Well, really 4 nodes, I guess. You don't need these 2 nodes right here. So we're going to delete them. Now watch what happened when we select it and we apply. We get a good, clean blend all the way around. And like any kind of blend, we can change the color of the blend. You know, like this is the first blend in our blend. We could make this yellow and it blends that. Of course, you can't really see what's going on until we put a black box around it. Go up to Object, Order, back a page, and you can see the blend. All right. The hard part now, and I've dealt with this for a long time, trying to do this with a 3D graphic, is to rotate this guy and get it to fit. I used to always do it by hand. So stay tuned for part 2, and we're going to do it a better way. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.